the Vice President of Rotaract Club of SK Somaya College.
Hi, I'm Rotractor Dhabalkar, Secretary of Rotaract Club of SK Somaya College.
Hello everyone, myself Rotractor Fardeen Khan. I'm the current Sergeant at Arms for the Rotaract Club of SK Somaya College.
Hi, this is Rotractor Harshi Masrani, Joint Secretary for the Rotaract Club of SK Somaya College for the year 2021-22.
Hello, this is Rotractor Nupur Ajmera, Vice President Support Functions for the year 21-22.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Siddhi Doshi, Treasurer for the Rotaract Club of SK Somaya College for the year 2021-22.
This is Rotractor Yukta Mahindrakar, Joint Secretary for the year 21-22.
Honestly, I never expected to be at this position, and it's a really tough job, and I took it as a challenge.
While being the finance director last year, I was able to experience a lot of back-end work of various different avenues. That is when I realized I wanted to do more for my club. With a little motivation from some unexpected people, I decided to apply for the post of secretary. And well, the rest is history.
So to be honest, Sergeant at Arms was my second preference when I was applying for the post. So when I came to know that I was selected as the Sergeant at Arms, it was quite a bummer for me. Because during my year as a director, I was quite a naughty child. But if you ask me why did I still had Sergeant at Arms as a preference when I was applying for the post, I can only reply by saying that each and every one of us improve ourselves when we are put out of our comfort zone, right? So if I was to be given this responsibility, I would be obliged to be more disciplined, to be more punctual, and maintain the law and order of our club. So which at the end would make me a better version of myself. So that was the main motive why I had Sergeant at Arms as a preference.
So I was a bit nervous to take the higher step, but my friends encouraged me to take the leap. A bit of emotional blackmailing, and I realized that I could use my existing toolkit for the position of Joint Secretary, and that made me go for it.
Well, I actually wanted to explore Rotaract movement in depth and wanted to achieve leadership quality too.
Being a finance director in the club for the past year, it taught me a lot. And treasurer was a step forward to new learnings, more responsibilities and opportunities. And of course, finance always being my subject of interest, I applied for the position of treasurer.
My main goal to be in the core team was to learn a lot and enhance my skill set, and Joint Secretary was the only position where I felt that I would excel, and I resonate a lot to that position because the roles and responsibilities what a secretariat holds or plays is very different, and the working style and the things you get to learn and to manage is a lot, and I felt like investing my time in this position would really help me in the future.
Last year I was the Community Service Director, and this year I am the VP. So yes, the job is similar, and since events are the core operations of the club, it's the most visible highlight of the club. Planning events has been similar. The only difference is I was only planning the events for community service, and now I am also modifying majority of the events of the main avenues, and it's a really difficult job because I always planned events for community service, and this time it's all the avenues together. So yes, it's similar but it's manageable, it's good.
Being a board of director and being a core team member are not so different. One major difference is that when you are a core team member, you have to do the work of the position you hold as well as help out in the management of the club. One major similarity between my previous position and my current one is that when I was the finance director, I had to keep a track of all the events happening and where the finances were being used. Same as a secretary, I have to keep a track of all the events happening and all the details as how the event was conducted and so on.
Obviously, the core team member and the board of directors have different set of responsibilities towards the club. But if we take it as an individual level, I guess each and every one of us who joins Rotaract has a similar interest in mind. It can either be learning new set of skills, networking, or just making friends. So it doesn't really matter if you are a core team member or a board of directors, because throughout this journey in Rotaract, you are getting to know a lot of people, you are constantly interacting with a lot of people, you are learning from others, you are adapting to a lot of stuff, you are getting to learn new set of skills. So I guess that's a similarity.
Yes, there are some similarities between my previous position, which was the editor, and the current position, which is the joint secretary. As we have to describe a particular event or a concept through words, and make sure that it reaches the other person perfectly. And I guess that's one of the most important similarities between the two positions.
Yes, I do feel some roles are similar to that of a director. Apart from being available for the club when needed, I also have to work or know how to work as all the support functions avenue directors.
The two major similarities that I have analyzed in the position that I held last year as a media production director and the position that I hold in the club today is that you get to learn new things every single day. And another thing is that these two positions are always working under pressure. So you are built in such a way that you get more calm and patient eventually in the journey.
If a director wants any core position, then he or she should be willing to take initiatives. For example, if I am the VP, it's not just the events and all for me. It's all the functions of the club together. So, apart from the events, also one should be able to do multitasking and think out of the box, because it's very much needed.
I would give the same advice that I had gotten from my previous secretary. The workload of the position is a lot, but it's nothing you cannot do without the proper time management. And you need to be willing to do the work, because the work of a secretary, you don't do it for yourself, you do it for your directors. You want to show that how hard your directors are working. So it's not for you, but for your whole team and the club.
Okay, so if I was to pitch Sergeant at Arms to a board of director, I would say it's not that really hard to make sure that your club is abiding by the law, or it's not that really hard to be punctual or discipline yourself. So it's quite an easy job. I would say it's the best job, I guess.
So the main element of my pitch would be that the journey and the experience of being in a secretariat is really amazing and insightful. Like, you get to learn a lot working under pressure, and also you learn to make the best out of the existing resources.
Well, I would advise that always look what is best for the club, and you need to take difficult decisions when needed for the betterment of the club.
To any director who wants to apply for the position of treasurer, just go for it. It is an opportunity to learn a lot of things, and it is going to help you a lot personally and professionally.
The only advice I would like to give someone is that if you are planning to be in the secretariat, I am pretty sure you are going to learn a lot, because the experience this position gives you is quite different and it is very helpful for your future, and definitely it will change you as a person at the end of the year.
Firstly, I would like to mention that the core team is nothing without its directors, and secondly, each one of us is very dedicated towards their job. We are always there to help each other with anything and everything, and we are just like a small family.
My core team, I don't know what to say. We are like the elders of our club. Whenever a director faces a challenge, we are there to help them and support them through it. We are also a support system for one another. We cannot work if we are not together. I am really happy and proud of my core team, and I am very lucky to be a part of it.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you be there. So the reason why I sang this particular song is because we are always there backing each other's decision or supporting each and everyone's opinion. Even if there is a difference in opinion, we never fight about it. We rather take all those opinions into consideration and try to find a better alternative. Each and every core team member, each and every one of us, we have our own style of work. We have a difference in opinion. We have a different perspective to each and every stuff. So that's what makes us strong, I guess, because this makes our team much more versatile in our work, and I just love you guys, man.
To put it simply, the core team is literally the human version of an underrated show with 8+ seasons. We all embrace each other's creative voices, and that's just really beautiful.
The current core team is really helpful. We stand together and we try to solve each and every problem together. It's the best core team.
My core team is a bunch of different people with different ideologies, but one thing that is common is that we all are believers. Together as a team, we are stronger and we are each other's strength. Things might not always go perfect for us, but we know that as a team, we are always going to give our best.
About this year's core team, it's quite different because we all have a different perspective and we all have different strengths, and that makes us very unique in ourselves. And one thing I love about our core team is that we help each other a lot. I don't think so there is going to be even a single thing that can't be done by us, because we support each other and we are there for each other, and that's what makes us the best core team in the RCSK family for sure.